Beautiful people, I am not here to waste your time, but you have to experience the goodness that is this coconut yam porridge or pottage. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get cooking. For this coconut yam porridge recipe, I'll be using half a tuber of yam. This is just a medium size, and of course, for sweetness, I'll be needing sweet potatoes. For the coconut infusion, I'll be using 2 medium-sized coconuts, which I'm going to break, take out the meat from the shell, and cut into bits like this, just to make it easy for my blender. The next thing I'll do is to pour this in my blender jar alongside some water and blend smoothly. If you don't have a blender that can blend coconut, you can use a grater to grate. Use the tiniest hole on your grater to grate, add some water, and then you can use a cheesecloth to extract the milk. I am done blending now, so I'll pass this through a cheesecloth to extract the milk. Hi everyone, my name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. It just occurred to me now that I have not introduced myself. If it's your first time here, thank you for joining us. I hope you will click that subscribe button and be here more permanently so you can see many more of my delicious recipes. Thank you. Thank you also to my returning viewers. Alright, the coconut milk is ready, so I'll set it aside and quickly introduce you to the base for this coconut yam porridge. So I have here a finger-sized ginger, about 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium-sized onion. And to this, I will be adding tatashe, that's red bell pepper. I have about 3 small sizes here, and some atarodo. That's all I'll be using for this coconut yam porridge. So I'm going to blend that alongside the garlic, ginger, and onion that I showed you earlier on. And that is ready. So we'll start cooking. I have chopped onion in heated oil. I'm going to toss this around for a bit till it's translucent before I go in with the pepper mix. If you're seeing my video for the first time, or you have been coming to watch my videos but you have not subscribed, please leave me a comment and tell me why, because I really want to know. But on a more serious note, please subscribe to my channel. It is going to be worth your time. Alright, having added the pepper mix, I covered it to cook till the water dries out, and this is what I have. At this point, I'm going to add the yam, which I already peeled, washed, and cut into cubes off the camera. I did the same with the sweet potatoes, and that will go in as well immediately. This will be followed by the coconut milk we extracted early on, and after this I'm just going to add stock cubes. I used no chicken, and of course salt. I will cover this to cook on medium heat, and that took about 15 minutes. Alright, this is 15 minutes later and this looks good, so good. Everywhere smells amazing at this point. So what I'm going to do now is just to mash this yam. Mashing really depends on your preference. I had to use a small pestle that I have at home. You can decide to mash, you can decide to mash completely. Some people don't even mash at all. It all depends on how you like it. I added some chopped green bell peppers for flavor and just a bit of color, and then I mixed that up. In case you're wondering if we're done, no, but we're at the final stage. I just need to set these on very low heat for about 5 minutes and it is ready. Look at it. I absolutely enjoyed this yam porridge or pottage. I have to say, if you like to add fish or meat cut into pieces in your porridge, please go ahead and do that. I love my porridge plain, but I'll have it with fish on the side. That's how I enjoy my porridge. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment and share with your friends. I will be here again very soon with another banging recipe. Until then, take care and bye-bye.